Have you ever found yourself fumbling for a Venmo username or a phone number when you're trying to split a bill with friends or pay for that cool vintage find at a local market? It can be a little clunky, right? Well, what if there was a way to make that whole process instant, seamless, and completely hands-free? Today, we're talking about Venmo QR codes, and trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. QR codes aren't just for menus at restaurants anymore. Venmo has integrated them into the app to make paying and requesting money lightning fast. It's a game changer for everything from paying your roommate for your share of the rent to tipping your barber. So, how does it work? It's incredibly simple. Let's start with how to pay someone using their QR code. First, open your Venmo app. At the very top of your screen, you'll see a scan button. Tap that, and your camera will open up. Now, just point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. It could be on a friend's phone, a business sign, or even a printed card. The app will automatically pull up their Venmo profile. From there, you just enter the amount you want to pay, add a note, and hit pay. No need to type in a username or phone number. It's that easy. Now, what if you're the one who needs to get paid? You'll need to find your personal QR code. To do that, open the Venmo app and tap the scan button again. In the top right corner, you'll see a My Code button. Tap on that, and your unique QR code will pop up. You can show this to anyone who needs to pay you. They'll just scan it with their Venmo app, and boom, they're on your payment page. But wait, there's more. What if you're not in person? You can still share your QR code. Just tap the Share button on your personal QR code screen. From there, you can send it via text, email, or even post it to social media. It's perfect for when you're selling something online and need a quick and easy way for someone to pay you. Businesses are also getting in on the action. Many small businesses and vendors are now displaying their Venmo QR codes, making it a super convenient way for customers to pay without having to worry about cash or cards. It's secure and instant, giving you that peace of mind. So there you have it. Venmo QR codes are a simple yet powerful tool that can save you time and make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're paying a friend, getting paid for a service, or just splitting a bill, these codes are the future of quick, contactless payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.